water resources. India is a land of rich natural resources, water being one of the most vital of all. The main sources of water. First point, surface water. Rainfall is the main source of fresh water. Surface water is available on the surface of the earth in the form of rivers, lakes, ponds, canals, etc. In India, the major rivers are Ganga, Brahmaputra, and many others. This is the map of river basins in India. Most of the Himalayan rivers are large and originate in the snow-covered high altitude areas of the Himalayan ranges. As such, they carry sufficient water throughout the year and they are called perennial rivers. But the rivers of the peninsular India are seasonal. They carry very little water in the dry summer season. Second point, groundwater. The parts of rainwater that seeps through the cracks and crevices into the ground is called groundwater. The distribution of groundwater is very uneven in India. The presence and availability of groundwater varies greatly with changes in topography and the prevailing climate in the particular region. In some areas, groundwater exists in deep aquifers. What is aquifers? Aquifer is an underground layer of rock that holds groundwater, and the water can be usefully extracted using a well. Another sources of water is lagoons and backwater. What is lagoon? A lagoon is a shallow body of water separated from a large body of water by natural barrier. Although the quality of water is generally brackish in nature. These lagoons and lakes serve as surface water resources. Okay. Water requirement and its utilization. First point, multipurpose project. What is multipurpose project? A multipurpose project is that which simultaneously serves several purposes like flood control, drinking water, navigation, power generation, etc. Some of the major multipurpose projects are the Vakranangal projects. The Vakranangal project on the river Satluj and tributary of river Indus. Its main purpose was to supply water to Sirhind and Western Yamuna Canal and flood control in river Satluj. Hirakud Dam project. Hirakud Dam is one of the largest dams on river Mahanadi. Hence, it is also called the Mahanadi Valley project. The main objective of this is to regulate the flow of water during floods. Damodar Valley project. Damodar Valley Corporation on river Damodar. Their main purpose is to prevent floods and supply water for irrigation. Other important multipurpose projects are used for irrigation purpose. Narmada Valley project on river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Chambal project on Chambal river in Madhya Pradesh. Tungabhadra project on Tungabhadra river in Karnataka, etc. Advantages of multipurpose projects. Flood control, drinking water, irrigation, navigation, etc. Necessity of irrigation. First point, uneven and uncertain distribution of rainfall. The southwest monsoon, responsible for 90% of rainfall in India, often fails to keep its date. It may strike early or after the scheduled arrival, but each crop has a fixed requirement of water at the right time. There are large variations in the spatial distribution of rainfall. The amount of rainfall varies from place to place. Like Meghalaya receive more than 1000 cm of annual rainfall, but the third desert in Rajasthan, which receive less than 25 cm of rain in a year. The rainfall in India is restricted from June to September, except in Tamil Nadu, which receives rainfall in winter season. Rest of the year is practically dry throughout the country. Some crops which are grown in winter season, like rabi crops, need artificial supply of water. Some crops such as rice, sugarcane, jute, cotton need more water and hence need to be provided with irrigation. Okay, so here I close the chapter for today. Rest of the part we'll discuss in next class. Thank you. Have a good day.